Hey guys, Emily here, and these are my top tips on how to grow your social media and build a community. So firstly, get excited. You don't want to post every day about something you're not passionate about. So figure out what you love to talk about, what lights a fire inside of you. It will make it so much easier to stay consistent and not boring. Your audience will be able to tell if you're genuinely passionate about something, and if you're excited to talk about a topic, people will listen. It doesn't matter how niche you think your passion is, there will absolutely be others who feel the same and others who want to learn more about what you're talking about. Don't forget to just be authentically yourself. People love to feel like they know you, and when that happens, your community will grow. They will trust you, feel like your best friend, and support you through your growth. This is super helpful for growth, but also important when it comes to selling a product or a service to your audience. Thirdly, collaborate. Don't be afraid to reach out to other creators who are in a similar or complementing field to you. Create a collaborative video together, share each other's posts, comment on like-minded accounts. This can really help you to build your following and even make some genuine connections along the way. Also, decide what platform is right for you. There are so many different platforms growing day by day, whether that be YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Do a little bit of research and try to understand which platform is best for you and your target market, your product. Maybe it's your audience age range. Over time, it can also be beneficial to grow multiple channels, and the growth on one platform will complement the growth on another. Take time to reply to your followers, really appreciate their support, and remember, 100 engaged followers is better than 1,000 uninterested scrollers. You don't need a huge number of followers to make an impact. And please do not give up. Trying to grow a social media platform can seem impossible, but your hard work will pay off. It may help to create a schedule for your audience so they know when to expect a post from you. Other people may find it useful to brainstorm ideas onto paper or keep a document full of video links for inspiration, so you should never run out of content ideas. Creating a series or a topic of the month is also a clever way to get people to hit that follow button. Whatever method you choose, consistency really is key. You don't need to post every single day, but being consistent with good quality content is a must. And please do not be hard on yourself. If you believe in what you are saying and posting, people will see that. And before you know it, you will have that community you've been looking for. You've got this.